Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the new free emote in Fish 8 update. So the March update has just dropped and there's a brand new exclusive emote that you can claim for absolutely free. So if you see on the update log, new emote, you can just head to speak to someone or an NPC about the new emote, and in here I'm going to show you where to find the NPC and how you can unlock the new emote. So you can first just head to the Planetary Observatory, and here once you arrive you can just go up the stairs until you found the DMC meteorologist, and in here you can start the new quest. Here you can unlock the emotes by collecting 5 Comet shards, and after you collect all of that you can unlock this emote. So I've already made a video about this, where to find the 5 Comet shards. In the previous video you can just watch it on my channels, and once you collect all of it you can just go back to talk to the meteorologist, and after that you can just click on I've returned, and once you do that you'll get the clipboard emote. So let's try to see how the emotes will look like, and just go to the items, emotes, and click on the clipboard emotes, and after that you can close it, click on the emotes at the top and use the new, or click on the new emotes, and this is how it will look like. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you on the next tutorials. Bye.